Changing your password on Lyft is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Password. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Password or Change Password. Tap on it to begin the password change process. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements, such as length and complexity. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, tap on the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your Lyft password and enhance your account security. Remember to choose a strong password and update it regularly.